Hey and welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I'm Veronica and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I made this cute dog paw ornaments for repeating customer. The name on the paws are her own Labrador doggy's name. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you how I made the styrofoam beads and such. So firstly, I got these paws custom made with the name, and I am putting some wood kind of paint on it just to give it a nice rustic look. Then I use my 3D glue pen to apply onto the paw ornaments so I can later apply my metallic foil. So you are applying the glue on your decor and you let it dry until it becomes transparent. All materials I use will be listed in description box below, so after watching this video go ahead and check it out. Just please note I am in Slovakia, Europe, so my links will be mostly European based. So I apply the glue to all of my paws, then I let it dry until it becomes transparent, and then I am applying the metallic foil onto my paws, and I am cleaning any rest of the foil with soft brush. After my paws are done, it is time to make my beads. So I am using some small styrofoam balls and a styrofoam heart for this. And firstly, I am painting everything with brown paint and let the brown paint dry. After the paint is dry, I am applying metal leaf glue. So this glue works the same. You are applying it, it is still white. Oops, as you can see, even I sometimes make a mess. So until the glue is white, you don't apply your foil. It should become nice and transparent like now. And after it is, I am just applying some metallic foil onto it as well. So after I was done, I was thinking it needs something more. So I am tracing with pencil a paw design onto my heart just to have it there, because I am not good at painting anything. And then I am applying my 3D glue onto it, and of course again let it dry until it becomes transparent. And when it becomes transparent, I will be applying some red foil I have. It doesn't need to be much, so of course, as you can see, it only sticks where the glue is, and it also sticks on my hands as well. So first two of my Paws ornaments, I decided to put a handmade little cute tassel. These two Paws ornaments will go to my great friend Amber from this Southern Girl Can, and I am just using wool for this handmade tassel, and then I am just gonna apply those beads onto a string of wool. So here I am alternating my beads with my heart, my handmade heart, and at the end I will be putting the paw ornament. So after it was done, I was thinking it needs a little bit of matchy colors, because I am a matchy girl. So I am just applying a little bit of metallic paint onto my tassel as well. And guess what, guys, after I made this cute little ornament, the name Hamilton broke on me. So it's gonna be just a cute little paw ornament, and here they are, the other 4, which will go to my lovely customer in Canada, and she has 4 Labradors, and these are the ornaments she will get. So thank you so much for watching this short little video. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna make your own handmade beads. If you did like it, please do subscribe and please stay for more. Until next time, bye.